Pete the kitty in the case of the hiccups. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup. How do we stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. No. That does not do it. Pete stands on one foot. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. That's not easy for me. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. No, that will just work the same thing. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Can I take this off? Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? Okay. Yeah. I know, says Bob. Yeah. You stand on one foot, hop up and down, and sing a song and rub your belly. Says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup, hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Can I make it like go ask Mom, says Bob. Okay. And put this here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow out, says Mom. And blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. Don't hold your breath for too long. That is it, Peter? That is it, says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. Like this kitty box? Yeah? Yes? Is this the end? Why does it
There's
have...
the last page.
The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Wait, why does it have these? Those ones are new that I don't even have. I only have this and this one. And all the other ones. Can you put this down?
The end.
Yeah, the end.
You like it?
It's the end.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
You like that book?
Yeah.